Big hair, don't care. Just I love this. Get a good look, guys. Hey girlfriends, as you can see, I got me a little, I don't know if it's silk press. I got my hair straightened. And I got inches. Anyways, I wish I would have taken this down with you guys on camera. It's not as straight as I thought it was actually, but it still looks really good compared to how it looked yesterday. So, quick story time. This is the very first time that I've gotten my hair straightened since I've been natural, like fully natural. The last time I got my hair straightened at all was when I was like maybe a couple months into my transition period of going natural, and it was for a wedding. So yeah, this is the very first time since then. And obviously my hair is, well, not obvious now because it's straight, but my hair is fully natural for 5 years, 6 years, something like that. And I got my hair straightened. And so I went to the same lady that did it the last time. It was for a New York wedding in 2019. It's for a New York wedding in 2025. And I was very satisfied. Although I wore my hair in an updo, I should have done this whole thing on camera yesterday. Anyways, I got an updo and it was so beautiful, but it did not last. This little bang here, I'm gonna take it down so y'all can see. My bang, it was supposed to be like a little curl in the front. You can see it has some body to it because it's like, and right here you can see it's like kind of bushy or whatever. But yo, it was sleek Thursday and into Friday for the wedding. And after the wedding, there was a cocktail hour. It was outside and it's very humid. It was also very windy, and those two conditions plus sweat. I was a maid of honor. I'm gonna show you pictures, but you know, I was running around and things like that. All those ingredients led to, I'm gonna show y'all a picture of how this bang was looking. Yeah, so the bang wasn't banging anymore. It was a big puffy thing of hair. Anyways, I wanted to wear my hair straight for a couple weeks while it's already straightened. So I was just trying, taking advantage of the style that I got. Although it was updo, I'm trying to make it a downdo. All this week, I've been wearing my hair up in a bun in the back, and then the front was a little bang thing. So yesterday, I decided to take the bun out because I'm going somewhere tomorrow and I'm meeting new people and I want my hair to look nice. So I took the bun out. I threw everything away, but the rubber bands, they was tight. It wasn't like tight like it was pulling, but they were really secure. So I took the rubber bands out, I took my hair down, and as you can see, some of the pieces are still pretty good, like this. There's no issues here. This, I need to comb it a little bit, but no issues here. It's pretty much straight still. But this here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I can see it. It's a little bit bushy. So I've been trying to do pin curls, and it's really easy to do. I did that for this piece all week, but you just want to take a chunk of hair and literally curl the hair up with your fingers. And so since this curl is like coming in, I'm going to, I like doing it this way, go like this and just curl the hair up like that with my finger. All right, really strange. I can't find the big one, the long ones like these, but I have these ones, which I don't want to use because they're going to flatten the hair a little bit, but you do it the same way. Just clip this down and then it will hold it in place. So a lot of times, some people sleep in these and then you keep them in until it's time to style your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and pin these up. Now, for the pieces that are looking like this, and this one, if you couldn't tell in the first part or first section, you can really see it here. How it's like a little bit more puffy, which is fine. It's totally fine. I am about to correct that. And how I'm going to do it is use these little rollers to give it some body, give it some curl, and then also kind of get it in conformity with the rest of the strand. So as you can see, the puffy part is like at the bottom, and that's because this part was the part that was out in the bun and that it was exposed to the weather. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some leave-in on it, just a little bit, so that it doesn't revert back. But this is the Curls Poppin' Pineapple collection, the So Smooth Vitamin C leave-in conditioner. Just gonna add just a little bit. Oh, you guys see my nails? I never get my nails done because I'm always doing my hair. They look so nice, but it's like, I don't think it's for me. All right, so we're going to apply that a little bit and then going to use a wide tooth comb. Comb through, and you can see that it's not tangled. It's just natural hair. So I'm gonna split this section into two because it's kind of big. My hair is kind of thick, even though this doesn't look like a big section. My hair is thick, so just being mindful of that. Gonna go in with a smaller tooth comb. And this is because I just want to avoid putting too much heat on it. I still might do one pass, but this is, in my head, it's helping the hair lay flat. And like I said, this is my first time, so this is an experiment. Hopefully it works. I think I need to add some more down here because the only way you can change the texture of your hair is if you wet it or if you add heat to it. So by using this leave-in, I'm trying to wet it a little bit. And then I'm going to set it by putting the curler in. Wet it and set it. So I may look crazy, but we gotta trust the process. Okay, so now, do I can curl this? Or do I wait? I'm gonna wait. So I'm gonna get the part that I know is a little messy. You see the little bun here? I got that, and I got a clip that I just took out. This is all a bush. So I'm going to do the same thing. And now, as I do this, you can watch me, but I'm gonna be talking about some things about my natural hair. Now, the reason why I haven't got my hair blown out, because people have been telling me, oh, you should get your hair blown out. I want to see how long it is. I know you want to see too. It's probably really long and blah, blah, blah. I'm scared. I was scared of heat damage. Because, you know, you hear a whole bunch of stories about how girls got their hair silk pressed and blown out, and then the curls are no more. I love my curls. Obviously, I've been wearing my hair like that for the past 5-6 years. I like my hair. So I don't want my curl pattern to get messed up from putting heat on it. But let me tell y'all, when my hair was blow dry straight, and you know, there's a difference between a hairstylist blow drying your hair and you blow drying your hair. I've only had my hair blow dried once outside of myself, and there is a huge dip. Like, it was straight, like bone straight. For me, when I do my own blowouts, I'm not gonna put that much heat on it because I'm not a professional. So I don't know what I'm doing. Obviously, this whole channel is DIY. Like, I've been doing my hair since I've gone natural. Last year, you probably saw me go to a hairstylist, but other than that, I've literally been doing my hair for the past like 5 years. So it's basically a DIY thing. It's a learning experience. So yeah, it's different, but I was scared about the heat damage. The reason I went to this lady is because she assured me 5 years ago that she would take care of my hair and not allow it to get damaged, which, I mean, everybody's hair is different. So you can say that and then it can still get damaged, but she was taking her precautions, which is the main thing I was looking for. I want someone who cares about my hair as much as I do. And she's also a family friend too, so I knew I could trust her. I have not detangled this part yet, so bear with me. Ooh. Okay, it's gonna be a little work. It was in twist. So she washed my hair, conditioned it, and then I sat under the dryer for a while. It was dry, it was the ends, I needed to trim really bad, it was rough. And then she blow dried it, and I didn't want to take too many videos. I should have just done it. I didn't want to take too many videos. See how it's like bushy right here? But the roots are good though, so that's good. She blow dried it, and then she flat ironed it, and then she put it in the updo. But obviously, and throughout the process, she was adding heat protectant, which is what I was looking for. Cause I'm like, you ain't about to fry my hair up. I love the lady that I went with. Like I said, I was very comfortable with her because one, she did my hair before, and the last time she did my hair, I actually tried to blow dry it. And as I mentioned in the beginning, that there's a difference when you try to blow dry your own hair versus a stylist blow drying your hair. So the last time I did it in 2019, she's like, you should have just let me wash and blow dry your hair because I did not do a good job at all. And obviously that was my first time going natural. I had about maybe this much natural hair at that time. So it was new for me, and I should have just let her do it. But anyway, this time I did let her do it because I had a full head of natural hair. Yeah, anyway, so I just felt very comfortable with her, and that is why I chose her. So one thing my mom used to always tell me, and my mom, she is going on to be with the Lord. So some of the things that she said, obviously I don't remember because they were so long ago. Yeah, so my mom, she passed away. It was a really long time ago. I was 11 years old. I'm 33 now, so 22 years without my mom. It's really crazy to say. I need to stop because I'm not trying to be on here crying. But one thing that I remember her always telling me is to never let anybody touch my hair, or never let just anyone touch my hair. Be careful who you allow to touch your hair. Because I had really long hair, really thick hair. It was not natural at the time. It was relaxed. But nonetheless, it was still thick. Probably looked like it was natural because it's so freaking thick. But she always told me to watch who I let touch my hair. Because the girls in school used to, like the older girls, they used to play in my hair and stuff. So that's definitely one thing that has stuck with me. And I feel like that's why I've been really on my own journey of doing my hair, because I'm scared to let somebody touch it and damage it. Now, if I damage it myself, it's on me. I would honestly feel better if I damaged my own hair. That's why I went to this lady, because she already had touched my hair before. And you know how people have bodies, like body count, like when you have sexual partners. I got bodies for hair, and I'm trying to keep that number low. Aww. So, yeah, I went to the same lady.
Never mind all the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Oh, never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now is time.
So, we are gonna pray, guys. We are gonna pray that this turns out the way I want it to.
You care for me, you always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank you.
The moment of truth.
What do you do when you're going through?
It's giving body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. It looks a lot better.
I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy.
So it's still very fluffy, which is what I expected. So I can just play with it a little bit. I don't have to add heat. And actually, it's a good thing that I'm doing it now, because I want it to come down just a little bit. But it's giving. It's giving. Yes. Yes, hair. Yeah. Let me stop, guys. I really love this. So I'm going to just let it kind of fall throughout the day, and then I'll come back when it's time to actually go to the event. It looks so good. It looks so good.
What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. Mind over matter, it don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you?
I'm about to bring for some reason I don't have faith in my hair lasting, because I can already feel me sweating. I don't know if it's because of my ring light over there, it's hot, or what. So I'm bringing a little scrunchie, but like this look is everything. It is a lot bigger than I thought, even though I kind of let it drop a little bit. It's still big in all the right areas. Honestly, I wish it would lay down a little bit, but big hair, don't care. Just. I love this. Get a good look, guys. The back, I can feel it's still kind of puffy, but it's giving what I needed to give right now, so I'm not going to complain about that. This is the final look, and I'm very satisfied with this. Come on, hair. I think I might pin curl this. Pin curl the front so I can still do the little swoopy swoop. All right, so this is the final look, guys. I'm about to head out because I got to be on time today. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
So do you mind if I just